What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cell from Friday Night Funkin'. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. Now leaving a gap in the center, let's start on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the outside. Now I'm going to move over towards the right and do the same thing. And then we'll connect the ends with a curve. Starting back on the left, and come down towards the bottom of the eye, and pull that up. And do the same thing to the right eye. Let's go underneath the left eye, step down, draw in the mouth. We're going to curve this down and over towards the right. Now we're going to move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step out, draw a half circle. I'm going to come down underneath the mouth, round out the chin, and pull it back up on the right. Let's add in the hair bangs. In between the eyes, we're going to step up, start with a point. Then from here, we'll curve down and out towards the top of the left eye. Go back up, go out, and then down. And then from the bottom left, go straight up, and then that out towards the left. Go to the right side, curve this out, up, and then in. Now you want to draw the hair going up towards the top of the head. Let's start with the left side. I'm going to curve this out, and then up, come straight in towards the side of the head. Go back out, and then up. Bend that up and in. And then we'll draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head. Now let's go over towards the right side. We curve this out and then up. Taper that in and up towards the side. Now I'm going to bend this spike coming down, going out and then down. Curve this up and pull it all the way in towards the top. Let's add a point on the right side, going out and all the way up toward the top. Now we want to connect these 2 points with a curve. We're going to come down the middle and then bend that up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the horn. From this point we're going to step in, draw a straight angle line going up and out. And we'll curve that in and then up towards the top. Let's work our way around the outside. Come down and out with a straight line. And we'll curve this down and then back in towards that bottom point. And then we'll fill the horn in black. Now we're going to move over and draw the horn on the right side. Starting on the side of the head, angle up and out. Go up and in towards the top. And then work our way along the outside. Coming down. Pull that back in. And then we'll fill the horn in black. Let's move down and draw on the collar. From the center of the head, draw a straight line going out toward the left, and then the right side. And then from the ends, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the middle. Now let's add in the collar. From the outside point, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, go to the right, step in, draw another line coming down toward the same height, and we'll pull that up and in toward that center point. Let's go back to the center and add that ribbon. Starting from that center point, angle down and out toward the left and right, and we'll flatten off the ends with a short angled line, pull that back up and in towards the top. Let's fill the inside of the ribbon in black. And then we'll add 2 strings coming down, starting right in the middle, come down and bend that out towards the left and right side. Now we want to move over toward the side and draw on the left arm. Starting from the top of the collar, curve the arm going out and then down towards the elbow. Draw a straight angle line coming down and in towards the bottom of the arm. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to round out the inside of the forearm. Starting at the bottom, go in, up, and then hook that down. And we'll add a fold. Just going to curl this back around and then down. Add a curve going up and out. And then from top of the forearm on the inside, draw a straight line going all the way up, leaving a gap along the top. Now let's move over and draw the right side of the body. Starting from the top of the collar, draw a straight angled line coming down and out, and we'll curve the body, coming down, and then bending that in. Draw a short angled line coming down and out, coming down and in. Now we draw a straight line coming back in towards the inside of the left forearm. And then from that bottom line, we'll step up, draw another straight line going across. Now the right arm is going to get tucked in behind the side of the body. So let's start with the inside edge of the fingers, leaving a gap, curve in and then out. And do that 3 more times, all the way down towards the bottom of the hand. Let's go back up to the top, curve up and then out. And from the bottom, draw a straight line going out. Now we're going to round up the knuckles. Starting from the top, go out and then in. Draw the second knuckle. And we'll do that 2 more times, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's separate the fingers. From this point, draw a straight line going out. Do the same thing to the other fingers. And now we're going to add the thumb on the inside. Starting from the top finger, draw a straight line coming in, straight down, and pull that back out. Let's go back up to the top and draw the handle of the microphone. You start on the inside, draw a straight line going up, do the same thing on the outside, close off the top with a straight line. Now we're going to connect those 2 top corners with a circle. Starting on the left, go all the way around toward the top, down, and then back in on the right. And then we'll go back in and add those lines. Starting from the bottom, come down and bend that out, step up. And I'm just going to repeat this all the way up towards the top. And then we'll add the lines going in the opposite direction. Starting from the top, go out and then down, step down, and again just repeat this all the way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to connect the hand to the body. Starting from the top of the shoulder, curve the arm going out and then down in behind the hand. Let's go to the outside knuckle, curve down and then in, come in and up in behind the body. Now from the inside of the thumb, it's going to add a fold, coming in and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the left side of the head and draw in the ponytail. Starting from the side, draw a straight line going out, curve this out and then down. And then we'll add a point, curving out and then up, taper that back down, then in. Draw a short angled line coming down towards the bottom, curve this up and in, draw a straight angled line going up in behind the head. Now we're going to continue working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's start right in the center of the body, draw the bottom of the shirt, coming down and out towards the left, and then the right, and then from the bottom left, angle up and in underneath. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go in between these 2 points and draw a short line going across to separate the legs. And then going back to the left side, we draw the leg coming down, and we'll bend that out towards the ankle. And then from the ankle, we'll curve the foot, coming down and across towards the toe. Draw a short line coming down. And then we'll work our way over towards the heel. Draw a straight line going back toward the left, angle up, and then angle that back down. Let's flatten off the back of the foot. Starting down here, angle up and out. I'm going to curve the leg coming back in and up underneath the arm. So let's start underneath the arm, come straight down, and then we'll bend that out towards the left side. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the right leg. Starting from this line, come straight down, and we'll bend that in on top of the left foot, leaving a gap along the top. And I'll trace the outside of the shoe, come down and out, come straight down towards the bottom, and draw a straight line going out towards the right, towards the toe. Let's flatten off the end of the shoe, going straight up. Now I'm going to bend the foot, coming in and up towards the ankle. And then we're going to go back up to the hip and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the bottom corner of the shirt, come down, round out the leg, and then pull that back in towards the ankle. Now that we complete the body, let's move up towards the left and draw on the wing. Starting on top of the elbow, draw a straight angle line, going up and out. Draw a straight angle line, coming down and out toward the tip of the wing. And then from the bottom, we'll curve the wing, going up, and bending that in. Draw another straight angle line, coming down and out. Let's add another curve, going up and in toward the side of the arm. Draw a short angle line coming down. Angle that up and in behind the arm. Now we want to place the right wing in behind the arm. Let's start from the bottom knuckle. Draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Go up and in. And then we'll just bend this in underneath the arm along the top. Let's add another point. Coming down with a straight line. Draw another straight line going up and in behind the arm. And then in between the elbow and body, draw another angle line coming down. Taper that back up. And that's pretty much it. There's Cell from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.